Panda, say I love you.
Hey, kitty.
Hey.
What'd you do today?
Yes.
How many hours did you get today? 23 again?
Yes.
Well, that's nice. What are you planning on doing now?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello? 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 Hello?
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Ready for the holidays? You gonna see Santa? You gonna sit on Santa's lap?
Say hello. There you go. You got it. One more time. Hello.
Wow, then what did you do? Hello. Hello.
What's wrong, Steppy? What is it? You want to go up in a window? Oh yeah? Okay. I'll let you up in the window. Okay?
Yo. What's new? Oh yeah? Oh, then what happened? Oh no, really? Oh, then what did you do?
Oh. Hello. Hello. Say hello.
What? Tell me again. You want Janine? Do you want Janine? It sounds like something, I just can't figure it out. Alright. See how you're being such a good girl. Good girl, Lola. Here, lie down. No. Lie down.
Bubbles, you want to eat? You want to eat? Do you want to eat? You sure? Alright, let's go. Hello?
Ari, out. Ari, out. Out. Now, go. Out.
Hello? Hello?
Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Meow.
Hello.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello? Hello, Lola.
Hello. Hello.